can see everything is closed. I'm not gonna talk much because not only I have my Invisalign on, but also I'm wearing a face mask, so probably you will not get what I'm saying anyway. But how cute is this airport? The security line was insane, honestly, it was crazy, and now it looks like the airport is completely deserted. And again, almost the last one. I claimed my luggage and I'm going home. I cannot wait to take off this mask. Yeah, I'm so tired. Good morning, welcome to the vlog. A surprise, surprise. Look, where am I? Look, I'm at home. Surprise. Yeah, I just flew last night. As you can see, it's like a total mess still because I haven't unpacked yet, but I'm going to do so. But of course, first coffee. I was just shooting some IGTV content earlier on, and it's time to have some breakfast and get to work. As I just mentioned, it's time to get back to work. I feel so much better recently. I just had my blood test done 2 days ago. I'm still waiting for the results, and I'll see if they are matching the way I feel. And this new lifestyle, new diet, new way of living really makes me feel so much better. I'm not there yet where I should be. I'm not like fully healthy and like bursting with energy as I always used to when I was working like a crazy person before for all those years. I'm not there yet, but we're gonna get there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there. I just noticed that, honestly, my underwear is everywhere in this video. Sorry. So since I officially feel better, I mean acceptable, to the point I can call it better, and I can get up and feeling like a normal human being, not like I've been dragged out of grave. It's time to go back to work. I have so much content scheduled for you guys to shoot and so many new videos, new topics, and also you have to see. Just stay tuned and see. Let's do it. I have so much to do. Obviously, I have to unpack both of the suitcases and arrange the place nicely. I also want to put out my outdoor furniture, which are now in the storage. Here I have all these pillows that goes with it. I just have to put it out there. And one more thing that makes me so happy is that the windows are now so clean and clear. Right before I came, the security guy from downstairs contacted me, and he said that there is a cleaning service going on and if I'm interested. And then yeah, my parents came to open up the place for the cleaning service, and now everything is beautiful and sparkling clean, and I'm so happy because there's nothing better than come back to a clean house and clean windows, and look how crystal clear they are. Ding. And another project to do, I have to declutter and organize this area. This is my walk-in closet here, which you probably have seen in my other videos. You see some things are in the, this is like a furry Ugg shoes. That's why I asked my mom to put them in the bin bag after I left. So yeah, I have to declutter, major declutter, a major closet organization, and there is some jewelry and God even knows what's here and all these drawers. And yeah, so I have to take all those out, unpack, and make it livable for this short period of time that I'm gonna be here. But I want to make the most out of it and enjoy it and just spend good time at my beloved home, which is yeah empty. And you know, good thing is that my parents come from time to time to, I mean quite often, because I have to water my flowers, my beautiful flowers. Look, this baby is doing good. It was sick last time I was here, but now it's like, hey there, how are you? How are you doing? And yeah, it's so nice to come back to clean home, to my own home. You know, I always love coming back to this place. I have it for like 7 years now, but I barely even get to live here, as you know, because I live all over the world. Since I have this place, I live in 3 countries already, so still counting, still moving to 1 more soon. Okay, let's get to work, enough rambling. Good morning, my lovelies. It's the next day today, and not much has changed in here. Let me just show you. Sorry for the drastic view, but this is a reality. This is reality. I have so much to do and so much to catch up on work-wise that I didn't even unpack. So this is the current situation. As you see, it even got worse because I was shooting quite a lot of fashion content for you, so hence my tripod and some accessories hanging around here, and just like everything looks like my suitcase exploded. But to be honest, let's face it, it could have been worse. It's not that bad. Plus, it's just temporary, and I'm gonna do it. I think today I'll tackle this. I just have finished. Oh, by the way, if you do not follow me on Instagram yet, please go ahead and do so, because I just started a new series, very exciting, because that requires so much commitment and so much dedication and consistency. And recently I was not very consistent, as you know, because of health issues, but now I feel better, so I want to be consistent. Whew, that was a long sentence. So I started a new series, which are 30 days of outfits challenge, and every day I make a short Insta video featuring the outfit of the day. And yeah, I actually have quite lots of fun with that, so go and follow me on Instagram and tell me what do you think about this idea. I also prepare lots of new styling videos for YouTube, and yeah, summer is a fun season and gives so much variety to dress up, dress down, do all sorts of fun things, and since I'm here I might as well use that chance. Speaking of which, let me show you. I acquired yesterday, you see, I'm not just lying down doing nothing. I shoot so much videos, and I purchased this rug for that very reason, because now actually I have to reveal, hopefully that's the right word, who knows. I will take you upstairs and show you why I got this rug that I'll have to assemble it myself, or I'll get someone to assemble it for me, I'll see. So if you watch my channel, you probably are familiar with my loft apartment. You go up, downstairs I have this walk-in closet and a bathroom when you enter, and here is my bedroom. Yeah, this is my bedroom, and here is my very beautiful favorite, which I'm not going to take you there because now it's a bit messy, but it's my beautiful master bathroom. But this is the mysterious room that I have never shown you before. Currently it looks like one big mess, as you can easily tell, but the plan is, yeah, everything possible is here. What is here on this desk is not a dead body, although it might have some resemblance. Those are piles of clothes that are result of my walk-in closet declutter. I put them here without any idea what else to do with them. And I also have one huge suitcase of clothes in my storage room, and also 2 big boxes up in my walk-in closet. So that's a lot of things to get rid of. And here are some also winter stuff that I do not wear anymore. My mom put all these towels on top of it when I left, so it doesn't get dusty. As you can see, I turned this room into clutter, messy, throw everything in room. I have an ironing board, I have a drying rack, and then there is a space for another closet, and there is quite a big space for another closet. I'm not even going to take you there because it's everything there. So the plan is that I'm going to turn this room. By the way, this is the only room in the house which doesn't have a light fixture yet, but we don't care because we have this massive crazy big window, 5 per 4 meters, so I get enough light. Plus now it's in summer in Poland, it gets dark really late, like 9. I can get as much use of light as I want to, not like in UK, you know, we have some light here. So I'm going to turn this room, as I said, into my filming room slash office editing room. I have a desk here, is as you see, which I have to get rid of this. And then I have some, I missed some artworks, but I'm not gonna to do this like full-blown decoration. I'll have my MacBook here and some things on the wall maybe, and then I put one more rack to have like in a background here. I like this area. This is where I shoot all my Insta styling videos. I'm gonna put a rack with the clothes that are meant to be used in upcoming videos, or some inspiration, or something that I just want to have as a nice background behind me. Oh yeah, it will be like very feminine, girly slash inspiring type of room, and finally it will get a use out of it. I will get a use out of it, that it deserves to be used. Did you hear this crack in my wrist? Oh my god. Anyway, I will change my clothes because it's really hot now, and I will do some daily yoga pilates stuff because I missed my daily one today because I was filming like a crazy person. I'm back. I just have changed into my workout outfit, and although I already have makeup on, I will still do it. If you wonder what I think about working out with the makeup on, it's ridiculous. It's more than ridiculous. But I already have it on because I was shooting. I did it kind of the other way around. I should have first do the workout and then all the other stuff. But I skipped it, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna skip it all together, because you know, next to the diet, apart from diet, working out every day, like moving my body, have like some type of the movement is a very vital part of my recovery. At least according to my husband and my in-laws, who are very fit people. Honestly, my father-in-law is in his 70s. I hope he doesn't mind I reveal his age, but he's so fit, and he looks like 50, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna be inspired by them because I want to be fit and healthy forever, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna do my workout. I remove my jewelry at least. I can't be bothered to take off my makeup, especially that the day just started. And no comment, the suitcase is still here, but I'll do it. By the way, I'm nowhere near where I want to be, like fitness wise, yet. I really am still out of shape, kind of. However, it got so much better. I lost 6 kilos in the last 2 months. I don't know if you can tell. I think like actual fat was like 3 kilos, and the rest was water retention. Due to my condition, I retain lots of water, and I lost it. My current diet, which I mentioned in my previous video, helped me do that. Actually, I will make a video about it soon anyway, because I think it can benefit so many people health-wise. And as I said, I'm nowhere near where I strive to be, but fitness is a journey, and I take it as health journey, and being healthy is more important than achieve certain look, to me at least. And just look, weight gain, weight gain, Jesus, weight loss, it's a side effect of taking care of yourself. And yeah, that's a journey, that's a long process, and I rather do it right. I'm not in the rush to have a certain size or look a certain way. I just want to be healthy, because I'm a completely different person when I'm healthy, and I have energy, and I can do so much in comparison to the last 2 months. Last 2 months was, I have not even words which are considered acceptable to use to tell you how I felt the last month. Anyway, enough of rambling, let's do it.